think it's important for everybody to know how to open up a bottle of wine. Up along the edge, I'm going to cut the foil. And the important thing is, the sommeliers say, is that you just don't want the wine to touch the foil. And then the foil should come up very easily. This goes in the center. And you're going to gently twist it, but not all the way down. There's two levers. And do this, the first lever, then you're gonna twist it a little more. Then you're gonna use the second lever, and you're gonna hold it. And you don't wanna make it go pop. You wanna go like this, and then you want to, well, I did the sound that you're not supposed to do. Well, actually, I wanna shove this back in here. But then you just wanna quietly take it off. And then you can look at the cork. What matters in the cork is that it's solid. This is how you uncork a wine. So let me tell you a secret that is the best secret that you're ever gonna learn about bacon. When you're gonna chop or cut bacon in precision cuts, like lardons. Lardons means little matchsticks in French. It just sounds fancy. But when you're doing like a wedge salad and you wanna have visual interest, instead of having like bacon bits on top, and you wanna have like little matchsticks, you want to get the bacon, wrap it in plastic, and put it in the freezer. Then you wanna take it out. Now, this isn't like the regular bacon where it's moving around everywhere. And we're going to start cutting. See? I'm starting to do the matchsticks. I don't have to go very fast. And I did stack like 3 bacons on top of each other. So you see, I've made a little matchsticks. And remember, you just want to go slow. And this makes it much easier than having it move all over the place. So you know those commercials where people are like, you know, it's so hard. That's what the bacon would be like if I had it here and it was at, you know, just regular refrigerator temperature. It would go everywhere. You can't get a precise cut. So this is how you get a precise cut. And once you get good at it, you don't even have to look. See? And here we have beautiful lardons. See, and when they are cooking in the pan, they'll kind of separate and they'll look like little matchsticks. There you go. How to cut bacon frozen. It's the best way.